ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Nadu bala sengi ka Frank Motors hakani ka nong ba Shillong hadu menta kana ka shlem di kali sau shaka bapau khmat hakani ka jala kalala ban aikam aijam kumba shispa ngut kibrio bat prapo persen kidegi Samla Khasi Trei jala. Yakani la pentip da ka Chief Executive Manager jong ka Frank Motors ka kong Eva Rika Lingdo haka jingpli pajba ya ka Frank and Friendly Workshop Center kabadan haka shnong light kor mauri haka bala sakilang da u customer care manager jongga Tata Motors u Gurmeet Singh u balalong kumu kongsan ringkat kajian lang jong u RCCM u Arup Sharma u CCM u Master Sayak u rangba dong jongga dong Mauri Pedeng u ba Edmund Karmalki u rangba dong u ba Aibor Jemar Banyang bat kiwe kibala syakot soba.
Kebeli pi baro ngapjang subhai pi baro akne kopor but ningkong ngakwa ban ai kejing sngongo ya u try nong bo nong thau u bala kurkuingi bat bangila banya don lang ringkat hakani ke jaka ti ngapjang subha se sini pi baro ki balai poi ni ki nangkit kam jang keshnong imami ki bahi hasem ki paralok parajor ki para marjan nang ni bat di marwen tengah pilihan yang subhai pisah kene ka jaka bangin inaugurate ya kene ka service center jong ka Tata Motors. Ngapilihan subharu ya chief guest Mr. Gurmeet Singh, Zonal Customer Care Manager Tata Motors, Arup Sharma RCCM, Mr. Sayak CCM. Ki balaplat pon penyedon ringkat bat ngi ha kene kesengi ka bakmen jong ka Frank Motors ha ka bangin inaugurate ya kene ka service center ringkat bat kajing adon lang jong irang bat dong Edmund Karmalki jong ka Mauri Pedeng iba Aibor Jemar Banyang irang bat dong secretary dong ba ini imnumla bandan bat ni nakopot secretary dong general secretary ba kitbok nong cloud bat kumjuru nga snusi ba irang ba shnong imla bandan ringkat bat ni nakopot ba imda khalai tengah ngadwai nga kenmen be inang yo ikamet ka bakot ka bakya tengah pedang subhai pi baro asya kene ka inauguration day jong ka Frank Motors kene ka service center kene ka jaka like kor mauri. So I on behalf of Frank Motors welcome you to the inauguration of our service center here at like kor mauri. Thank you so much for sparing your valuable time to be with us. You have come all the way long distance traveling to be with us and to grace the occasion. Thank you so much. Pau ka jing sngongo ka bakraw ya kashnang like kor mauri. Kabala aya ka permission yangi ban pri ya kene service center ha kene ka jaka. Bat kamtam ya ka jing kloy jong pi ban yarap yangi na dum ngi sedang ban shna ya kene ka service center hang ne pila kloy ban aya ka jing yarap ginono ki jirang kam wan ban pan jing yarap na pi pila kloy ban yarap yangi tiang aya ka jing kubraishi pun pi workshop yang kena ke service center. Tina kalian ke Frank Motors ngit scam ba ke jingdon je kena ke workshop ha kena ke jaka. Kena ke workshop kalau dan ki machineries ki biang bah ki tools and equipments ki long ki bala biang bah. Tidak ke jingdon je kini ngila ban ai ke syakri bah tam ya ki customers jangi. Ke jingdon je kena ke workshop ru ngit kan wan ra ya ke jingi yo kam yo jam je ki kana samla jangi. Kam tam ki kana samla ki branchnya ka than ke mo kam tam chine like kor ki di marjan ngile kat bala bangin penyo kam ke jam ye ki khana samla seng ya ka Frank Motors ngila dan kumbashi spa ngut ki khana ki batrai bat ni but 80% of them ki de ki khana samla rilum and bun ki de ki khana na chini ki than tengah smu kemen bangayo ban ai ki ne kalat ya ki khana samla bakin yo ya ka kabu ban trai bat ni shine ma bande chadu chhe saru kala kham jinjar tela dan kum kini ki organization ni kini ki jakat Trei mat bahe ngila ban peniok kan ka kalat yok kam yok jam kan kam suk ye ki Trei shne basa shne ki jan te ngasung kemen bangila banne ya kata nang ni shakma do kimi ginti bangin nang kiu ngin nang ya chaprang bangin nang la ban ai kata ka employment ni kena ka jing tmu jongi ka kata bun sinawan interview ni ki kena ngakli sha pisa shinu kan bangala ang yele bangin ai kam ai jam gi kena gi bashini ki than te ngasupin mangala ban le kata ban kimi ginti ban ni shakma do ngin nang la ban ye roi ki kena samla jongi ki nang yo ki kam ki jam te nakalian ka Frank Motors ni kular ban ai ka jing chakri ka bhatam shau pat ba banga kerpa dia ka jingkit bob kit riang jong pi paro banginang la ban pinya chaprang ye kene workshop te khulwe shibun tangki ni kintien nga khat subai pi baro sha ka frank and friendly workshop center. Thank you.
Thank you so much
for welcoming us, Arup and Tata Motors team. But let me honest, I'm not a chief guest. I'm a part of member of your team only. So I'm in your family only. So we are very proud and associated with Frank Auto, and we really proud to be that they are our channel partners, and the way they provide the service is good. And it is another milestone for a Tata Motors that we have in a new workshop. Tata Motor is changing now. If you see the old history of Tata Motors, our designs are getting changed. Our reach is changing, so we need to spread ourselves now. So we need to reach to the customers. So when we reach to the customer, there we need footprints like service centers as well as the showrooms for providing the services. And it is a long journey to go. It cannot change in one go. It will take some time. So what Madam has said is right, that you are giving an opportunity to youngsters to join our workshops. Basically, you guys are actually feeding their homes. People like us who always save some money, but this poor chap doesn't save money. So you giving an opportunity to work them, and they become, your brand ambassador. In fact, so they want to associate it with Frank Auto for a longer term, not only for this brand, maybe for some other brand also. So it's I sincerely, respect you for this, that you are at least giving an opportunity, and you have such kind of a thought process for the young team, because India is getting young. So we need job, we need an opportunities also. So this is something which is very great that you are thinking, and that's also one of our mantra during our meeting at Guwahati. I think your GM was there. The welfare of the people is important, well-being. So when as a human being we respect each other, that kind of thing keep coming. So that's very good, and I really congratulate Frank Auto's DP sir also to giving us a good facility. Thank you very much from behalf of Tata Motors, and we want to continue the same journey. Unless the journey has just begun, so probably we'll go all the milestones. So congratulations to everyone who is a part of our workshop team, and I really appreciate that you guys are putting so much of effort. I really thank you from the bottom of Tata Motors that you guys are putting so much of effort to keep our customers happy. That's something which is good. And once again, it's a festival season, so well in advance, wish you a very Merry Christmas as well as a very Happy New Year. God bless you, all of you. Thank you very much.
inaugurate this auspicious day and this beautiful event right now, as we are gonna have the ribbon cutting and the official opening of Frank Motors Tata Servicing Center. And yes, Frank Motors is here and they are here to stay. Thank you so much. My name is RJ Bayo from Super Hits 93.5 Red FM. It's rocking.